SMCI stock analysis, this is the right time to buy. I'm going to answer everything around that in this brief and short 1 minute video. So watch till the end. So looking at this with 45 bucks 36 cents. Honestly, just kind of consolidating briefly here, and I'm looking to just take advantage of it and take it further up. Like I've talked about this before, but my last, let's say 5 predictions have been 3 dubs, 2 L's, last 4, 2 dubs and 2 L's, and then last 2 trades have been just 2 L's. And those are 2 losses, which is totally fine. It's part of the game. All I really expected was the price to come back down a little bit further, and then only if I saw the shift or something like that, only then I was willing to take it further up. With SMCI, if you know what I mean, I do have some 74 results here, so that's crazy. And I wanted to get my rules met. They sort of went without me, which is fine though, you know, like unless I do see that correction happening, that I guess I'm not going to be forcing no buys here. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.